So why we are not comfortable on the stage? What do you think? What is the reason behind it? Okay, try to understand this thing first. So did you get it that you are comfortable with your friends and family members? Okay, but when you are on the stage, you are not comfortable on the stage. And so what is the reason behind it? First, whenever we come on the stage, we think that people are not going to accept me. They are going to judge me. They are going to find fault with my communication skill. They are going to observe my clothes. They are going to observe my hairstyle. They are going to observe me. How do I look? They are going to see my body language. They are going to observe it. And if they will observe me, I think that I will spoil my self-image. People think in this way. Our mind think in this way, that I will spoil my self-image. And if I will spoil my self-image, that's why just I don't want to go on the stage. And we get nervousness because of that. Because we are caring about our self-image, that I have a self-image and I will spoil my self-image. What people will think about me? They will laugh at me. They can make fun of me and all those different things. So when we have this thing, we care about our self-image. That's why just we don't initiate anything. That's why we don't go on the stage. And when we don't go on the stage and we don't be comfortable, we don't want to try to the people, we don't improve that thing. And as we improved everything, we improved our writing by writing so many times in our notebooks. Alright, we improved our riding bicycle. Like we learned that how to ride bicycles. When we started, we were unable to ride, but now we have improved it. Is that okay? Can you ride bicycle easily? Are you comfortable now? No, why? Because you have done it before so many times. Like so many times you have done it in the past. That's why that has become habit, and now you are comfortable. So when you started learning riding bicycle, how did you learn it? You found a place where people are not there and you went in that place, whether it is any kind of ground or it is any kind of farm of view or it is any kind of place, any kind of park where there are no people. You went there and you started learning bicycle, because there is nobody who is going to see you when you are falling down on the ground. In the same way, we have to try it at our home, in front of the mirror. In our camera, we can start our mobile phone. We can take our mobile phone. We can start the camera. We can speak something or the other in that camera. And do it for 15 days. Every day, you share your experience as you talk. And you speak in the camera by making eye contact, by using body language. You make it a part of your daily life. And you do it for 15 days continuously. If you really want to improve, there are so many people, those who want to improve, but they don't want to do anything. They don't want to try. They don't want to take any action. This video, this information is not for them. This is for them, those who really want to improve. So if you really want to improve, you just go speak in the camera, observe yourself, how you are speaking, how your body language is working, how your expressions are, and how is the level of your communication skill, and all those things. And after observing, you learn something from that speech, and next day you have to do something better. You have to improve something other. Then the other day you have to do something better. So every day we have to improve. And when you find 4 people for your classmates or in your class, wherever you get a chance to go on the stage, you will have some speeches already. So this is the first thing that we have to start, as we started riding bicycle, because there were nobody who were going to laugh at us. कोई नहीं था कि जब हम गिरेंगे तो कोई हमारे ऊपर हमें देखेगा, हमारे ऊपर हंसेगा. हम ऐसी जगह जाकर ही साइकिल सीखे ना, कि साइकिल चलाना हम लोग ऐसी जगह पर सीखे, भीड़ भाड़ में जाके मार्केट में साइकिल चलाना सीखी हमने. ऐसी जगह पर गए थे ना जहाँ पर भीड़ कम थी. वाई? क्योंकि हमें कोई देखे ना, हम गिरे तो कोई हमारे ऊपर हंसे ना. सो व्हेन वी कम ऑन द स्टेज, इट हैपन्स. सो इन द बिगिनिंग वी हैव टू डू समथिंग एट आवर होम. देन व्हेन वी विल कम ऑन द स्टेज, इट विल बिकम ईजी फॉर अस. एंड second thing is that just we have to speak in points. We have 2 points, 3 points, or we have kind of short speech in the beginning. If we are beginning something or the other, we need to learn that we have not to speak so many things. But when we think about speech, we think about a lot about the different kind of ideas. We want to share so many things. We have to be clear that what I want to say, and that should be in points. I want to share 2 points. I want to 3 points of this topic. I want to share 4 points of this speech. So if we have that clarity, we will we will remember that what I am going to say. This is the thing. Okay, so in this way, and in this way just we are going to improve gradually. Like we have not to, like I have so seen so many people, those who are very knowledgeable, but they're afraid to go on the stage. They have so much of nervousness, and they are not killing it because they are not trying it, they are not doing it. When you don't do anything, you will do it for first time, you will get nervousness. So the way to kill nervousness is that do that thing again and again. Come on the stage again and again. Talk to a group again and again. Speak yourself, record yourself again and again. If it has become necessary for you and you really want to improve it, do same things again and again. And whenever we do it repeatedly, it improves. It is definitely going to improve. But kind of serious people can improve it. Kind of a people, those who really want to improve. Right? Everyone say, I want to improve my communication skill, but they don't want to do anything. Everyone say, I want to speak good English, I want to improve my speaking English, but they don't want to like be regular, they don't want to take actions regularly. How they are going to improve? So we have to check it, that is it my desire or is it the real thing that I really want to improve? So this is the thing we have to keep in mind, and we have to do it every day. Okay, so as now you are doing it, you are coming on the stage, you are observing yourself that how am I speaking, what went wrong, what I missed, and you just observe that thing, and next day you are doing something better, right? Nandini, it's also happening. So when you came first day, I saw you that you were very nervous. All right, after you prepared something or the other, you came for second speech, you were like little bit confident. Then after that, third time when I saw, fourth time, fifth time, now she is comfortable. Are you comfortable now? Yeah, it has become easy now. You know, so it becomes easy when we do it for, and people, those who avoid it, they don't want to come, so they are making themselves weak. They are making themselves weak. They are going to become weak. And if you want to become strong, take action. Do it daily. Improve it daily. Observe it daily. Because you are going to do something better in your career. You are going to be the best in the future. Because if you are doing, like nobody became perfect in the beginning. They started something or the other, and they started working on that thing, and they have become something different now. And people praise them. People clap for them. People admire them. People want to learn from them. Why? Because they have taken action in so many massive actions in the past. Okay? So this is the thing, that we can kill our nervousness with this method, and it will take time.